Are fibroids stealing your sleep? What if poor sleep is making your pain, bleeding, and symptoms even worse? If you have fibroids and wake up feeling exhausted, this video is for you. Many women think their biggest problem is the fibroid, but there is another problem that often gets missed: the cycle between pain, poor sleep, and exhaustion. Here's what happens. Fibroid pain can wake you up at night. Heavy bleeding can wake you up at night. Worrying about leaks can wake you up at night. Then the next day, you're tired. You feel drained. You struggle to focus. You feel emotional. You feel like you're running on empty. But it doesn't stop there. Poor sleep can make pain feel worse. Poor sleep can increase stress. Poor sleep can affect hormone balance. And before you know it, you're trapped in a cycle. More pain, less sleep, more exhaustion, more frustration. And many women are never told this cycle exists, so they blame themselves. They think they're not trying hard enough. They think they're just tired because they're busy. But the truth is, your body is asking for help. It's not in your head. Your symptoms are real. And when you understand what is driving the cycle, you can begin making choices that support your body's natural healing abilities. You deserve more than simply surviving each day. You deserve to understand what your body is trying to tell you. If this sounds familiar, I want to invite you to my free webinar where I break down the exact system I use to support my body, shrink my fibroids, restore my health, and free myself from this cycle. Secure your seat now by clicking the link below. And if you know another woman who needs to hear this message, please share this video with her. Her breakthrough could start with one conversation.